In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Hostinger account. To get started, open your web browser and go to hostinger.com. This will take you to Hostinger's homepage where you can access your account, hosting services, domains, and website tools. If you're on a desktop or laptop, the layout is usually very straightforward. And if you're on mobile, the login option may appear a little differently, but the process is still the same. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the user icon. This is the account access button, and selecting it will take you to the Hostinger login page. If you don't immediately see it, give the page a second to fully load so all navigation items appear properly. On the login page, Hostinger may ask you to complete a quick security check to confirm that you're human. If that happens, simply click the verification box and follow any prompt that appears. This is a normal security step and helps protect your account from automated login attempts. After that, you'll be ready to sign in. Enter the email address and password connected to your Hostinger account. Make sure you use the same login details you originally used when creating the account. If you prefer, you may also see the option to sign in with Google instead of typing your email and password manually. If your Hostinger account was created using Google Sign In, go ahead and click the Google icon. This will redirect you to Google's account selection page. From there, click the email account that's associated with your Hostinger login. If the correct Google account isn't listed, choose the option to use another account, then sign in with the one linked to Hostinger. As a helpful tip, if you're not sure whether you signed up with a password or through Google, try to remember how you first created the account. Using the wrong method can sometimes cause confusion, even though the account itself is still active. Once you've successfully completed the login process, Hostinger should automatically direct you to your dashboard. This is the main area where you can manage your hosting, websites, domains, email services, and other account settings. And that's it. You've now logged into your Hostinger account. If the page doesn't load right away, give it a moment or refresh the browser once, and you should be able to continue normally.